Good morning, everybody.
Good morning,
My name is Akshay Joshi.
and I am Nandita Joshi.
Welcome to another video. Today we are near Chikballapur and we're in a very special place today called as Avalabetta. It's supposed to be called as the Nandi Hills without crowd, but as soon as we entered the place, there seems to be a lot of people already over here. There is a parking space available as well for your two-wheeler or for four-wheeler. So we are starting the trek at 8 o'clock right now. The weather is pleasant, it's beautiful, and it's supposed to be an easy trek, about 2 kilometers uphill. So let's go ahead and see how the trail is and how's the view from the top as well. I'm minutes into the walk and we have reached a point where on the left side there are a couple of steps and straight is the normal road ahead. So now we're gonna go left and take the steps.
So we've been climbing the stairs for some time now. Actually, I'm very glad that the vehicles are not allowed inside because this is one of the most beautiful walks there is around here, and you're surrounded by mountains and trees all around you, so it's really relaxing.
The weather is absolutely perfect for a trek today. The temperature is about 22 degrees and this particular path is so relaxing. I just love the mountains. Comment below if you enjoy the mountains more or the beaches. I'm not sure how. There aren't any vehicles allowed actually, but we did see a couple of two-wheelers inside. Not really sure how. Maybe they work at the temple and that's why they're allowed, but generally you aren't allowed with vehicles inside, so you will have to park at the entrance and then start making your way up. So when we were reaching towards the top side, there are actually two roads, one which goes towards the left side and the other one which goes towards the temple. Now we have come towards the left side where you have an amazing scenic view from here. Nandita is trying to figure out what are the mountains which we are able to see from here right now from the help of Google Maps. What all have you found so far?
Okay, so if you have seen our videos earlier, we have gone to a fort called Gudibande Fort, which is around this side itself near the Andhra border. So I'm trying to figure out where is it on the maps, and I think it's somewhere there.
And in fact, that is Gudibande Fort, which is going to be close to the Karnataka Andhra border. Really amazing view. Still see it, can't get it out of my mind. Started counting up the losses, weight sinking, water began to rise. Reaching in the darkness, I came here for an answer. Maybe it's time to surrender. I'm ready to fall. I'm leaving it all behind. I'm ready to fall. Alright, so let's talk about the history of this particular hill. Now, according to Hindu mythology, during Samudra Manthan, which is ocean churning, there were a lot of good and bad things which were coming out of the ocean. One of the good things which came out of the ocean was supposed to be a cow, and the cow has supposedly landed on this particular hill, and that's why the name back then was Dhainugiri, and which means cow hill. And it's said that you can actually see the footprint of the cow as well. Now, I'm not sure if the story is true or not, but I thought it was a cool story, so I thought I'll share it with you. Check out this well over here. There appears to be a ladder as well. Can only imagine how deep this must be. It's filled to the brim because of the rainy season. Unfortunately, there's trash even here. Check out the size of this rock. Huge. So this is a little interesting. If you can see, there are small steps over here, and kind of looks like a small naturally formed amphitheater. Alright guys, so we have reached the top of Avalabetta now. It's definitely an easy trek. The total distance to come uphill is about 2 kilometers, and it should take you about an hour or 1.5 hours depending on your pace. But the view from top is absolutely amazing. It's simply mesmerizing, so I would definitely recommend you come here. The only thing you'll have to take care of is try to come here during an odd hour, because there are a lot of people coming here and you probably don't want to be stuck in a crowded area. The way we approached it is we first went to a different area of the hill, and then once all the people actually left from here, that's when we decided to come over here. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please do consider subscribing as well. That'll be much appreciated. And if you'd like to, please do leave a comment and like as well. But until next time, have a good one. मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया.
Pawan was here. Jay and Abyss were here. RY was here. Surinder and Amar were here.